guys, welcome back to the channel. We got another video for you today. More truck content. You're actually sitting on my F-150 right now. So I've been really wanting tow mirrors for a long time. Did a lot of research. Some of them are a little bit cheaper, and like their tow mirror, I don't want them shaking on the side, rattling around. I can't see what's behind me or my trailer. I got a boat over here, snowmobile trailer, quads, everything like that. So I want to be able to see. The stock mirrors are alright. I have a 2018 F-150. We have the little concave mirror in the corner there that lets me see a little bit more, which they don't have in the newer ones, which is weird. But the towing mirrors are just much better. So after a lot of research, I found Boost Auto. They make tow mirrors, side steps, wireless charger, a couple other stuff. But I couldn't believe the reviews on the tow mirrors. Everyone said they're the best. They come with every feature you had, every feature you didn't have, every feature you would want. So my truck, I have a STX, which is basically an XL. I only got power adjust. That's the only feature I have. Manual fold. They weren't heated. That's it. They had no features at all. The ones I got now are heated top, heated lower, power extend, power fold. What else? And still the power adjust. So it's got everything. It also comes with a running light, a turn signal. It's a switchback turn signal. It's a sequential turn signal. And it's got a sick startup sequence when I turn it on, which also I found out last night works with unlock and lock. It has a startup sequence for that. So these are pretty awesome. We did an install video, but it was so windy that the audio is completely trashed. So I may just put it in like a time lapse at the end so you can see. But if you need any help installing, Boost Auto has a video. It is absolutely perfect. That's what we used to install it. We just watched that. It was perfect. It's a pretty straightforward, simple install. The mirror itself only takes 2 minutes to put on. The wiring is all plug and play except for one wire on each side, which you just got to route it through. The hardest thing is to route it through this little 8 to 12 inch little umbilical cord to plug into the torque. That's it. That's the hardest part of the job. You don't need any mechanical experience to put these on. You know, the video is very self-explanatory. It helps you out. Yeah, let's get into the review. Alright, so here's the mirror. Like I was saying, this part is heated. This part is heated. You could choose to get that or not. The website is really awesome. You can go into and just put what features you have, and it'll let you say like, oh, if you want the power extend and the power fold, which I really wanted, you can add that in. You don't have to add any buttons. It's awesome. This is the light. There's like a light bar here and a light bar here. This comes in smoked or clear. You can also get the top black, chrome, and then you can also get one that you can paint yourself, which I maybe in the future I may get the top because you can just switch it out and get it painted in the lead foot color, but that's for the future. But looks wise, they look exactly like the factory ones. My dad has a 250, so we were comparing them last night, and they're exactly the same. There's some online that look the same, but they're not. Like this is different. Like this is one solid plastic piece instead of, you know, there being a gap here, and it just doesn't look as good. So this is what it looks like. So it also has a startup sequence. I'm going to try to hit it here. Hopefully you guys can see it. So that's an option you can get as well. So now this is the blinker. This comes in, you can just do a solid blinker or the sequential. I went for the sequential because the new headlights that I just ordered also have the sequential, and also the side steps that they make also have a sequential, so thought better to match. But it's actually really bright at night. I came out here last night, and I'll put some of those clips in right here to show you what it looks like at night. Alright, so like I was saying, there's two lights here. So if I hit the lock button, blinks orange, which is cool to be able to see that. if you're walking away, and then unlock. Does a nice little startup sequence, and then it stays lit for the same time as like your running lights. It also works if you just get in the door. So if it's unlocked, the lights are off, you just open the door, these turn on. So that's pretty awesome. So all you have to do is have the left mirror activated like you would power adjust it, and go left, left, right, right. You'll hear it blink. Now you have the module on, and now you can make it do what you want. All right, so now I'm in. So now if I want to, all I do is hit down one time. That'll fold them in. Folds both in at the same time. And then if I hit up, they come out. Then if you hold the left button, you'll extend, and you can let them go anywhere depending on, you know, the size of your trailer. And then right, hold right to bring them back in. Now I could either hit left, left, right, right to make it beep again, and that says I'm turning off that function. I just want to go back to just the way it is normal, or in 10 seconds you'll hear it beep. Just beeped right now. So now I could just adjust the mirror like normal. So you get to keep all your functions, add functions. So final thoughts. I went driving with them yesterday a bunch because we put them on yesterday. They don't move, they don't rattle, they don't shake and vibrate like crazy and you can't see. I think they're better than stock, to be honest, for, you know, rattling and how much they're moving around. Yesterday I had to tow a trailer with my quads on it, my 2 quads, flawless. So much easier to back it in, being able to see the back of the trailer so much easier. So already a success. I'm gonna keep doing reviews of these, maybe like a 3-month or a 6-month or a year, maybe all 3, and let you guys know if I come up with any problems. I also have a cardinal that likes to sit on the side of my truck and attack my mirrors. I'll show you what my mirrors look like in a second, my stock mirrors. And he sees his reflection and starts attacking himself. So I'm going to be using these every single day, folding them in, folding them out every single time when I drive. So I'll let you know if there's any issues with the motor dying out, or, you know, if it ever doesn't work, the controller, whatever. Any issues at all, I'll definitely let you guys know. So far I've had none. I've already showed a bunch of people, so I keep moving them in and out and in and out, going crazy. Fantastic. Absolutely love the mirrors. I'm going to put a link in the description for Boost Auto if you guys want to go and purchase them. If you have any questions, you can either comment in the video. If you have any questions about ordering them, email them. I had a question because I ordered them and I was like, wait a minute, how do I get my heated function to work? The top and bottom have like the defroster, the heated mirror. I don't have a button. I only have the one for the rear mirror. So I emailed them. I was like, hey, I think I just messed up and ordered the wrong ones. And they were like, nope, it already uses your stock button. So when I hit the defrost for the rear, it'll also defrost the mirrors. I was like, but they answered, I don't know, within 45 minutes. So super good crew over there. If you guys need anything, reach out to them. Like I said, I'll have the description in the below. I'll also put their video of their install video. They also make them for if you have more features. My brother's truck has the puddle light and the 360 cam. So we might even order those to do that install to show you that it'll retain those functions as well, because his 360 cam is amazing. I absolutely love it. The next truck I have will definitely have that. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. We got a lot of stuff coming. Like I said, I just ordered headlights. We're gonna do headlights on this truck. Side steps are gonna get ordered soon. We're gonna put those in from Boost Auto. I think they're the Luma step. Yeah, we got a lot of things. Tints, finally going to tint a vehicle because I'm super lazy with buying tints for whatever reason. We got to do a bed liner. What else we got to do on this truck? I got to do the wheel well liners. I got to get rid of that stupid antenna. I got to do a lot of things. So thank you guys so much for watching. Back on the YouTube grind. Going to keep making videos for you guys. So thank you so much. And have a good day. Peace.